Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a review video today. We've been kindly sent a stereo for a car, and I said to the guys, obviously I'll only do reviews of things if you can give me something to give away. They didn't want to give me another stereo, and I didn't realise why until I looked at the price. What they've sent us is a good few £100 worth, which is very kind of them. They said, listen, we'll send you a reversing camera to give away. Someone might want that. I thought, no, that's fair enough. Like, I understand that you can't give me two of the stereos, which is fine. So in today's video, we're having a look at an Android multimedia system for any car. This is a single DIN version. I chose single DIN because the only thing that I can put a stereo in is my truck. So this is a single DIN. Looks pretty cool. Looks like the new modern Mercs, to be fair. It's got like a screen on it, like an iPad as such, that clips on. This is reversing camera that they've sent us. We're going to do a giveaway for this reversing camera. This is one of the ones that are sort of attached in your number plate area. You've got all the leads and cables there. If you've got a car with some kind of monitor on it or screen, you better wire this up. So we're going to give this away. Really simple, easy to enter. Anyone that leaves me a comment on this video will be in the draw for the reversing camera. As for the stereo, I'm going to go well, actually might be able to do this one-handed. Let's have a little look, give you a sort of show. It might be easier. Let me get this all out and then I'll cut back in. I'll unbox it in the truck where it's going to go. A little Fiesta. All my side skirts are just gluing because this wasn't a Zetec, it doesn't have the holes. So I had to tiger seal the skirts back on like they were tiger sealed. They're tiger sealed on now. Now I've got it. Got the truck out. The little Nova's on the back of the truck. The Nova's going to one of my friends. And this is my stereo in my truck, which is all worn out and knackered. You can't see none of the buttons on it. So it made sense to chuck it in here. Let me unbox this, get everything out. I've got the tools that I think I need. A couple of broken rivets. I don't have stereo keys, but that should work. And a little trim tool. So let me open this, unbox this, and I'll be back in a sec. Blimey, stinky. So that's the actual stereo unit itself, and it's got a clamp clip bit on the front, and there's the screen for it. It's like a bit like an iPad screen that you can tilt and move. So yeah, let's pull this one out, and I'll show you what I was talking about anyway. I only got a couple. Oh, I've got more normal rivets in there, but these are ones that I threw in the bin. So technically, that's it. Yeah, you can feel it slide over. Push them in the hole, and then gently tease it. See if it moves. There we go. It's moving. And then technically, we should put them in this side. That's gone in. That's gone in. And technically, there we go. Obviously, if you've got a bit more of a posh car, be a bit more caring with your trim tool. There we go. That's that one out. Right, let me unplug all of this and unwrap all of this. Okay, that's that removed. I can see my first problem. My truck has got a very weird radio connector. So I'll have to buy some form of adapter to that. It's got normal ISO plugs there, and I'm presuming that's for the stereo controls on the steering wheel. But I've plugged it all in. That's powered up. That's the screen. It's pretty cool, that is. We'll have a look at that. Let me get this plugged on. I'll see you in a sec. Man, that's cool. Look at that. It all adjusts everywhere, and you can maneuver it wherever you like, but just for the purpose of this, we're just going to leave it in the middle. That's pretty funky. Now that is a pucker design if you can't have a double DIN. Obviously this is a single DIN unit, but you still want a screen and everything. I haven't connected up. I've got loads and loads of adapters here. to pull it back out in a second, but I just wanted to clip it on and make sure it powered up. We've got like USB leads in there, we've got a GPS antenna, we've got something that says Wi-Fi as well. Obviously I've got no radio on this at the moment, but let's click navigation. It's not going to pick nothing up. Look, Google Maps, that's pretty cool. I've got nothing, no GPS connected. Let me pull it back out, let me connect the GPS and the other thing that says Wi-Fi. I might even read some instructions so I can show you some more. That's Netflix set up. This thing's wicked. Bear with, I'm just sorting out settings and loading stuff. It had to do updates and stuff like that. Let me finish doing all that and I can show you what it can do. This geezer looks like he knows how to paint. So, the stereo. I'm absolutely mega impressed with this thing. You're getting a bit of glare off it there because of the back, but so I've sussed everything out. I had a little look. I've changed a few things around. I can't use the conventional radio at the moment, I need an aerial adapter. But this thing is like your iPad or your Android tablet. So what I've done, it's got its own Google navigation. I've installed Waze. Waze is a really good navigation system. That's nice and simple. Click the button, off you go, type in your address, you're ready to go. So we've got a good sat nav there, ready to rumble. All my phones now paired up. I've installed tuning radio. This one is fine for the time being. This does do DAB radio, but you need an adapter. It didn't come with an adapter, so for the time being that'll do me. I'll go buy the adapter and sort of go from there. So this is like your normal app. So if you want to put history on, for argument's sake, you hit that button. It'll probably play an advert first, but then once you're listening to the radio's on and going, sort of thing. So that'll do me for a moment. Obviously you can pair it to your phone. There you go. I don't want to play anymore, so I get a copyright on that. So I have got radio for the time being. We've got YouTube. Basically anything that you can do on a tablet, you can do on here. The internet's tethered to my phone, so obviously offline you wouldn't be able to do that, but if you was online you can connect it to your phone and give it some internet, and then yeah, like watch what you want. So there's YouTube. It's even got Netflix on it. I don't condone driving along and watching Netflix, but if you're waiting for a time slot, like for me, quite often I'm sitting in Copart waiting to collect a vehicle. Sometimes you can sit anything up to an hour. So you know, you can just plumb in Netflix and turn that on and watch something, and the quality is actually really good. There's so many apps that you install. You click the middle button, these are the other apps that are already on it. Well, this has got a Torque OBD checker installed. I don't know what it is. It looks like it's some kind of like a scanner for your car, I suppose. Engine management diagnostic program, profile not set up. I'm presuming you need a dongle to use that, but it came with that. So yeah, that's a little look at the I don't know the actual model of this one, but it's made by Pumpkin, and I'll obviously leave all the links and everything in the description. But what a cool unit, how advanced they've become nowadays compared to what you used to get. It's unbelievable. But this is an excellent option if you can't put a double din head unit in a vehicle. So yeah, I'm over the moon with that. Well, I'm not paid to do this review, as you all know, and I don't really do many reviews unless I do a giveaway for you guys. So I've said to them I'll have a look at it, I'll install it and go from there. But my initial thoughts on this, oh, I've checked the phone as well. The quality on the phone is excellent. I pulled the microphone through here, I just pulled the panel off and run the wire to there. This is something to do with Wi-Fi, and then you've got a GPS antenna there. So I've done that. I've got, that's like a front-facing dash cam, and it's also rigged, so I've got a camera on the roof on this, so you can put camera to that as well. I will do, but I've got to unwire everything up the top to connect it down now. But yeah, in the future I'll do that, and I'll do another little update after I've lived with it for a while and see how we get on with it. So yeah, don't forget the reversing camera. We can well, we're doing a giveaway on that. We'll run it for another week until Sunday, so anyone that comments on this video, I'll include you in the draw. And don't do any double entries. I'll use the checker thing to do that, and yeah, we'll put a random winner from the comment section out of this one, and then yeah, I'll send you out the reversing camera to the winner. So as always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.